million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Y'all know I'm lazy, so I'm super excited about these. I guess I shouldn't have started like, hey, how y'all doing? Subscribe. I'm super lazy. So I'm really excited about these wigs because I want to look cute without doing too much, having to do too much because I am lazy. So I'm excited about these wigs from Janet Collection. I probably have footage rolling. There are 5 of them. They're all part of, I'm reading the boxes if you see me looking this way. They're all part of this new collection by Janet Collection called Crescent Bangs. They all are 100% human hair, and they have it in different styles. It's headbang, all this other type of stuff. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna film them in no particular order, but just know that those will be coming down the pipeline. If you look in that description box, I give you all the info that you need about these wigs, as well as a direct link to purchase if I find links somewhere. I'm gonna start with this little bopper, okay? They all came in these hard boxes. Like I said, they come with bangs, detachable bangs. I leaned in, detachable bangs with Velcro. It says an adjustable band, all this old type of stuff. This first one that I'm gonna do is in the color natural. You can get natural or natural brown on all of these. And this one is in the style J-A-E, and that's what people call me. My name is Jessica, but they call me J, okay? Y'all know I haven't done anything to these wigs because I like to do all of that with y'all on camera. Okay, so why was that so low? Why did I throw that like that? I'm 2 minutes in and I ain't even took it out the packaging. Shut up. All right. Jay looks really cute, y'all, and I think this detachable band is going to be it. A bang is going to be it. Look at Jay, cute little bob, and like I said, 100% hair on, human hair on all of these. And there she is on the stock card, okay? So as far as cap construction goes, you get a comb in the back and those adjustable straps, and then in the front, you get a comb to the right, a comb to the left. You get that Velcro band to attach the wig to your head, and then you get the detachable Velcro bangs. All right, y'all, since I've been rambling, I'm gonna go grab a headband and try this on with, smells good, y'all know that matters to me. I'm gonna try this on with the bangs and without the bangs. And it comes with a little black headband, but y'all know, again, I'm lazy. But I want to be cute. So I'm going to go try to find a headband to jazz this up. And then we'll come back with our final thoughts on Jay. Y'all, this little bad boy is right up my alley. Like, this is so cute. This is so easy. This is so versatile. I really love this. to be honest, I'm going to have to reach out to Janet Collection and see if they make this exact wig in a lace front version, because it's something of, it's giving me very Whitney Houston, I want to dance with somebody tease. Like, I love this curl pattern. All that's in this bottle is water and conditioner, and that's what we got. To be honest with you, at first I was a little nervous. I thought I was going to give Michael Jackson tease with the bangs. But Annie is okay. Okay, with them bangs, it was super, y'all, that's super cute too, look. Maybe it's the denim and the red mixed with these curls, but the sad part is I started with Jay, so these other 4 headband wigs better bring it, because Jay really did it for me. I definitely recommend this, not just for a wig beginner, not for somebody that's just lazy. This is the type of wig you need in your arsenal, because this is gonna give you throw on and go capabilities, but still look cute, which is what I always wanted. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your Auntie Jay, me. Maybe it's your Granddaddy Joseph, whichever one, send them my way, and me and Janet Collection will get them right, y'all. This was a bop. Definitely recommend this one. Y'all know we are continuing with our red and blonde series. The only time that we step away from red and blonde hair is when we deal with human hair. So, and I got some blonde Janet Collection wigs coming down the pipeline that'll be mixed in with our blonde series. I love this. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon. Bye.